If you have a laptop and an internet connection, you are sitting on a gold mine. In this video, I am going to reveal 3 secret AI websites that pay you to work from home, with 0 skills and absolutely no investment. First website is Voice123.com combined with ElevenLabs. Companies are always looking for voice artists for their ads and audiobooks. You don't need a professional microphone. Just go to ElevenLabs, generate a high-quality AI voiceover using your text, and submit it on Voice123. People are making thousands of dollars doing this on autopilot. Next up is rytr.me. Freelancers charge big bucks to write email newsletters, product descriptions, and social media captions for brands. With rytr, you just select your topic, choose the tone, and the AI instantly generates high-converting sales copy in seconds. Copy the text, deliver it to your clients on file. And the third website is kittle.com. Local businesses and online stores are always in desperate need of professional logos and merchandise designs. Instead of spending hours learning Photoshop, you can use Kittle's built-in AI to generate stunning, print-ready graphics and logos in seconds. Sell these templates to business owners or on platforms like Etsy for pure profit. Which side hustle are you starting today? Comment below. If you want to unlock more secret AI money-making methods before anyone else, hit that subscribe button. This is AI Insider, and I'll see you in the next one.